Welcome to Digital Dollars, your one-stop shop for mastering online marketing and money-making strategies. On this channel, we'll dive into the world of digital wealth creation, covering topics like proven online marketing techniques, passive income streams, affiliate marketing secrets, e-commerce success strategy shopping, online business growth hacks, and more. Join us as we explore the latest trends. Ever feel like your money disappears before the month ends? You're not alone. But what if I told you there's a way to take control of your finances without sacrificing all the things you love? In this video, I'll show you how to create a budget that actually works, and more importantly, how to stick to it. Let's break the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle once and for all. Section 1. Why budgeting matters. Let's start with the why. According to recent stats, the average person is drowning in debt, and nearly 60% of adults don't have enough savings to cover a $500 emergency. That's stressful, right? Budgeting isn't about restrictions. It's about freedom. It's about telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. When you have a budget, you can finally afford that trip, pay off debt, or build an emergency fund stress-free. Section 2. Step 1. Know your numbers. Step 1. Know your numbers. Grab all your income sources and list them out: your job, side hustles, anything. Now, your expenses. Rent or mortgage, food, utilities, subscriptions, debt payments, the whole deal. Don't forget those sneaky ones like annual fees or birthday gifts. Now, subtract your total expenses from your income. If you've got money left, great. Let's plan what to do with it. If you're in the red, no worries. We'll fix that. Section 3. Step 2. Set realistic goals. Budgeting works best when it's tied to something meaningful. Do you want to get out of debt? Save for a vacation? Build a rainy day fund? Set 1 to 3 goals that are realistic, measurable, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save money," say, "I want to save $3,000 by the end of the year." Goals give your budget purpose and make it easier to stay motivated. Section 4. Step 3. Choose your budgeting method. There's no one-size-fits-all budget. Here are 3 popular methods. Choose the one that fits your style. 1. The 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings and debt payoff. Simple and balanced. Second, zero-based budget. Every dollar gets a job. Income minus expenses equals 0. It's great for control freaks, no shame. Third, envelope system or digital version. You divide your money into categories and don't overspend in any one. Perfect for visual learners and spenders. Pick the one that feels right, or combine them. The key is consistency. Action 5. Step 4. Track your spending. Here's where most people trip up. They create a budget, but never track their spending. Use a budgeting app, spreadsheet, or even a notebook. Just track it. Check your progress weekly. You'll be amazed at how quickly those coffee runs and late-night online shopping add up. Awareness is powerful. When you see where your money's going, you start making better choices without even trying. Section 6. Step 5. Make room for fun. Here's the secret sauce. Build fun into your budget. If your budget feels like punishment, you won't stick to it. Period. Budget a little fun money every month. Yes, you can have your avocado toast and still be financially smart. Guilt-free spending keeps you motivated and prevents binge spending later. Section 7. Sticking to it long term. Budgeting isn't a one-and-done deal. Life changes and your budget should too. Set a monthly money date with yourself or your partner. Review what worked, what didn't, and make adjustments. Celebrate your wins, even the small ones. Paid off a credit card, saved $100 more than usual. That's huge. Stay flexible, stay consistent, and soon you'll be living proof that budgeting does work. So, are you ready to stop stressing over money and start building the life you actually want? Creating a budget is the first step. Sticking to it is the journey. And you've got this. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more money tips, and drop a comment below with your budgeting goal for this month. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.